Tired of a pile of old conversations on ChatGPT? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to easily archive and unarchive your chats, so your interface stays clean and organized without losing a single important message. Follow step by step, and soon you'll have perfect order among your chats. So, the first thing you need to do is open your browser, go to the ChatGPT website, and log in. Right after that, in the top left corner of the screen, you'll see two lines. Tap on them, and in the menu that appears, you'll see several options as well as your conversations. If you want to archive a conversation, simply tap on the three dots next to the chat and then select the archive option in the menu. Once you do this, the conversation will be archived and removed from the chat list. If you want to unarchive a conversation, here's what you need to do next. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your profile icon with your name. Tap on it and then select Settings. When you open the settings, you'll see a lot of options. Find the option called Data Controls. Once you've done that, in this section, find Archive Chats, and next to it, you'll see a Manage button. Tap on it. Now you can see the list of archived conversations. If you want to unarchive a conversation, tap on this icon here. It will immediately unarchive the chat. After you've done that, you'll see that the conversation you unarchived is back on the chat list. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified about new tutorials I post. Thank you so much for watching and see you very soon.